Hello everyone, welcome back. If the notification sound is not working on your iPhone after the update of latest iOS version, then try these quick solutions. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, disable the silent mode. After that, launch control center, disable do not disturb, and also settings, battery, charge your iPhone and disable low power mode. After that, hopefully you get rid of this issue. If not, then try these solutions. Number 1, launch settings. Here we have to tap on notification and select the app that you want to get a notification or you are not getting notification. Then make sure that allow notification is enabled. If it's already enabled, disable, wait for a few seconds and enable again. We have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on screen time and tap content and privacy restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. After that, check the sound settings. Go back to settings, sound and haptics, and tap on text tone and make sure that none is not selected. You will select any tone from here. If none of these is not working, then finally what we have to do, settings, journal, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.